Hello, welcome to Business Insights Live with Professor Scott. Today, we explore capacity and constraint management, a vital concept in operations management. If you're a student diving into operations management, you'll want to stay tuned. Let's start with the basics. What is capacity? In simple terms, capacity is the maximum amount of work a business can handle within a given period. It determines how much a company can produce, sell, or serve. Think of it like a coffee shop. How many customers can they serve in an hour? That's their capacity. Capacity has different forms. First, there's design capacity, the maximum output possible under ideal conditions. It's like a highway with 4 lanes and a 65 miles per hour speed limit. Everything runs perfectly. Then we have effective capacity, which is more realistic. It accounts for things like breaks, maintenance, or staff shortages. So, on that same highway, construction cones and rush hour traffic reduce how many cars can get through. Finally, there's actual capacity is the true output achieved. Another example, let's consider a McDonald's restaurant. McDonald's produces millions of French fries daily. Their design capacity may be 500,000 large fries per day. But with cleaning and maintenance, effective capacity drops to 450,000. If they produce 440,000 bags, that's their actual capacity, and their utilization is 97.8%. Utilization is how much of that capacity is actually being used. The formula for utilization is utilization % equals actual output / effective capacity times 100. Knowing this helps businesses spot inefficiencies. Capacity isn't just for manufacturing, it's crucial in services. When demand exceeds capacity, like during peak tourist seasons, hotels raise prices. When capacity exceeds demand, businesses may offer discounts or promotions. Seasonality matters too. A ski resort closes in summer but offers mountain biking or camping to use capacity year-round. Now, here's where it gets interesting: bottlenecks. A bottleneck is a point where production slows down because one part of the process can't keep up. A bottleneck is a weak point that slows down the entire process. According to the theory of constraints, improving the bottleneck boosts overall output. Think of it like a highway merging from 4 lanes down to 1. Traffic piles up, no matter how fast the cars were moving before. Another example, a dental office. If only one dentist is available for procedures, even with empty chairs, the dentist is the constraint. So, how do we deal with bottlenecks? There are several strategies. 1. Identify the bottleneck, analyze workflow data. 2. Increase capacity at the bottleneck, add more machines, hire more staff, automate operations, or extend working hours. 3. Balance the workload, improve processes by ensuring no one process is overloaded compared to others. 4. Subordinate other processes, align operations to the bottleneck's pace. 5. Reduce downtime, maintain equipment to avoid breakdowns. 6. Review continuously, monitor for new bottlenecks. Streamline workflows to remove new inefficiencies. Here's an example, a warehouse packing line. A single attendant is too slow, causing packages to pile up. You solve it by adding automation and a second worker. The result? Faster service and happier customers. So, to recap, capacity is what you can produce. Design capacity is the ideal, effective capacity is the realistic, and utilization shows how well you use it. Managing it effectively is key, whether you're making chips, running a hotel, or cleaning teeth. And bottlenecks can limit everything. Spot them, fix them, and your entire operation speeds up. That's all for today's special on capacity and constraint management. Stay efficient, stay productive, and we'll see you next time on Business Insights Live.